I'm Sai. I'm here to teach you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube using Yao method. The Yao method is one of the fastest methods of solving a 4x4. Step 1. Solving the white and yellow centers. First we should look for white center pieces. Here 3 pieces are solved. The rest of the 1 piece is here. So we should turn the up face thrice and move it up, remove from its way, undo. Now the white side is solved. Now we should turn the cube upside down and solve the yellow center. Now the yellow should come here. None of the pieces are solved. So move 1 piece up like this and check for another 3 pieces. Here are another 3 pieces ready. So we should move it up like this. Keep it parallel to this piece. Move it up, remove from its way, undo. The last piece is also here. So turn the up face once, move it up, remove from its way, undo. Now the yellow and white centers are solved. Step 2. Pairing up the first 3 edges of the white side. Now first we should look for white edge. Here is blue. So we can pair up the blue side first. Turn it up like this. Another blue edge is here. So we should turn the up face twice, remove from its way and attach it like this. Now normally while solving a 4x4 you should need to know the color scheme. The color scheme is in the description. So exactly left to the left it will be red. So here we should solve the red edge piece. So we should look for 1 edge piece is here. The next edge piece is also here. So we should do the same. Turn the up face once and attach it like this. Now the next is green. The green 1 edge piece is here. The next piece is also up here. So if we move it up like this, then it will come out of its place. So we should turn the cube upside down and none of it's affected. So turn the up face once, move from its way and attach the center. Now the next piece is to move it up here. Now the blue center is scrambled. So again we should do the same. Move. And now 3 centers are solved. Step 3. Solving the last 4 centers. First we should solve the blue center. So you can make a bar like this. Remove from its way. The next bar is already made. So we can turn the face once and attach. And now the next center need to be solved is the orange. For solving the orange, remember while solving the centers, you should not scramble these 3 edges. So first we should move it up. No. First we should keep it parallel to this. Move it up. Move from its way. Undo. Now 3 pieces are solved. The last piece is up here. So we should keep it like this. Do a double turn. Remove from its way. Undo. Now the orange center is also solved. The next is green center. So same. Now if you turn like this, then this edge will be scrambled. So we should keep it an unsolved edge and turn. Keep it parallel, move it up, remove from its way, undo. The last edge piece is up here. The last green piece is up here. So we should replace it with an unsolved edge. Turn the up face thrice, move it up, remove from its way, undo. Now all the centers are solved. Step 4. Pairing up all the edges. Now first we should pair the orange edge. Here it is already paired up. So we should take it down and now match with it. Now all the 4 edges are paired up. Now turn the cube upside down and look for the another edge piece, all the edge pieces. Here 2 edge pieces are ready. So first you should turn the down face once. Do this algorithm. The algorithm goes like this. Right, up, right inverse, front inverse, right. And now adjust the centers. Now this piece is solved. The next piece is the red and green. Now this piece is here, correct, in the spot, and another piece is in the top layer. So we should keep the piece here or here. For that you should turn the left face once, left or right depending on your situation. Turn the up face once and undo. Now here is an edge. So we should do the same. Turn the down layer once and do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverse, front inverse, right, and undo the centers. Like this you have to solve all the edges. For pairing up the last 2 edges, at a time you can pair 2 edges. For this you should move the up or down layer. I will turn the up and do the flipping algorithm. Right, up, right inverse, front inverse, right, and all the edges are paired up. Now you can normally solve like a 3x3. If you don't know how to solve a 3x3, go and check the description for my 3x3 video. If you normally solve like a 3x3, you may end up with this situation. Now normally in a 3x3 you will get a dot or an inverted L or the line or the full cross is solved. But in a 3x3 you will get a single edge or 3 edge paired up. If 3 edges are paired up, you need to do an OL parity algorithm, and the algorithm goes like this. Small r twice, back twice, up twice, small l prime, up twice, small r prime, up twice, small r, up twice, front twice, small r, front twice, small l, back twice, and small r. Now the last is PLL parity. Normally in a 3x3 you may did not get a situation like this. In 3x3 opposite edges and this edges need to be swapped. But normally in a 4x4 opposite edges or adjacent edges need to be swapped. For opposite and adjacent edges, the following same algorithm. Small r twice, up twice, small r twice, double layer up twice, small r twice, up twice, double layer up twice, and solved the whole cube. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye.